We're back and getting straight to the point, covering and summarising Darren Hardy's compound effect. Today we're on to the second principle from the book: transform your life goals into daily habits. Sometimes we don't want to admit it, but our choices shape our destiny, and we are responsible for what we do or don't do. Sometimes it's the seemingly insignificant decisions that prevent us from being successful. For instance, no one wants to become obese or declare bankruptcy, but these are the consequences of multiple poor but small choices. You're probably familiar with the situations where you find yourself scoffing a bag of chips, and after you finish the bag you realise you've ruined a day of healthy eating. It's hard to admit that you alone are responsible for your actions. Maybe you think it's bad luck, but that's just an excuse for your poor choices. We can all be lucky. In order to be lucky, you just need to know how to spot good opportunities. You need to connect your decisions with the right motivation and clear goals. Because when you have defined goals, you can focus on them far more effectively. Your mind will start to see opportunities in front of you and you'll start reaching them. Remember the law of attraction. Like attracts like. Thinking about positive actions will draw positive things towards you. So, what are your goals? What makes you happy? Consider areas of business, health, spirituality, family, and lifestyle, and note down all the attributes, behaviours, and characteristics you need to reach these goals, and try to apply them to your everyday life. This means cutting out old habits. List your bad habits so you can see when and where you act in a way that isn't good for you. For example, if you must eat something sweet after a meal, have some fruit or honey nearby for a healthier treat. It also helps if you're surrounded by people with similar goals to you, and if you have patience with yourself. In the following podcast, we're going to look into how routine keeps your momentum going.